Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the Instagram account, private Instagram account to public account on your Instagram. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So now my account is on the private account. So I just need to switch to the public account. The disadvantage of the private account means, so I just having a 4 or 5 followers. So if I'm posting a photo here, so I will get so low amount of likes, and also in reel section I will have a low amount of views. So this is the most disadvantage. You can use it a private account for your personal account if you want. If you are a creator or if you're running a page, you just need to be a public account for more reach and more followers. So just click on the three dot option and click on the settings and privacy option, and now just scroll down. You will see an option called account privacy. So just click this, and here it's private account is turned on. You just turn it off. So switching to the public account, anyone can see your photos, reels and stories and use your original audios. They can also use your original audios, and this won't change that who can message and tag and mention you, and people can remix your reels and download them as a part of remix. So these are the changes that you will have on the public account. You just switch to the public account. That's it. So simple. Just click on this three dot, go to the setting and privacy, and click on the account privacy and just turn it off. You will have this public account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.